wastewater treatment facility that helps collect and treat 140 million gallons of sewage collected every day in Rhode Island by residents, the commercial sector, and the industry. And unless you work here for DEM, no one ever really gets to see it. But that's going to change. In honor of the 50th anniversary of the Clean Water Act, the Rhode Island Clean Water Association is hosting tours on Wednesday evening, April 27th, and on Saturday morning, April 30th. Beals Point Wastewater Treatment Facility in East Providence, Warwick, West Warwick, South Kingstown, and for our friends on Long Island, Shoreham. So check out the website below for more information about how you can go on one of these tours and learn about how we're working together to keep our waters clean.